Leading the way. Foundations of effective administrative leadership. Effective administrative leadership is the backbone of a thriving organization. We explore the core competencies that equip leaders to navigate today's complex administrative environments. Key attributes: vision and strategy, setting a clear direction and translating it into actionable plans. Integrity and ethics, leading by example and fostering trust through transparency and fairness. Decision-making, analyzing information, weighing options, and making well-informed choices. Emotional intelligence, understanding and managing emotions to build strong relationships and positive work environments. Essential practices: communication, clearly articulating goals, motivating teams, and facilitating open dialogue. Delegation and empowerment, utilizing team expertise, building capacity, and fostering ownership. Conflict resolution, facilitating communication, finding common ground, and implementing win-win solutions. Change management, guiding teams through transitions with clear communication and effective planning. Core leadership skills: problem solving, systematically analyzing challenges, generating creative solutions, and implementing them effectively. Time management, prioritizing tasks, managing workload, and utilizing resources efficiently. Interpersonal skills, building rapport, fostering collaboration, and cultivating a positive work environment. Adaptability, embracing innovation, readily adapting to change, and remaining open to new ideas. Conclusion: effective administrative leadership is a blend of attributes, practices, and skills. By actively fostering these cornerstones, leaders navigate complex organizational landscapes, motivate teams, and achieve organizational goals. Continuous development in these areas is crucial for leaders to thrive in the ever-evolving administrative landscape.
Behavioral economics delves into the intersection of psychology and economics. It challenges the traditional economic assumption of perfectly rational actors and instead explores how human emotions, cognitive biases, and social influences shape our economic choices. It dares to question the notion of purely rational decision-makers, shedding light on the profound impact of human emotions, cognitive quirks, and societal pressures on our financial actions. By embracing this perspective, we uncover a rich tapestry of insights, paving the way for enhanced economic theories, policies, and financial strategies. This junction of disciplines opens a door to a deeper understanding of our intricate economic world, offering a lens through which we can navigate the complexities of our financial landscape with greater wisdom and efficacy. This understanding helps design better economic models, policies, and financial decisions.
Behavioral economics is the study of how psychological, cognitive, emotional, social, and cultural factors influence the economic decisions that individuals and institutions make. It challenges the traditional economic assumption that people are entirely rational actors who make decisions based on perfect information and self-interest. People are affected by bounded rationality, cognitive biases, emotional influences, etc. Benefits of behavioral economics: provides a more realistic understanding of human decision-making, helps design policies and interventions that are more effective, empowers individuals to make better economic choices. By embracing behavioral economics, we gain insights that pave the way for a deeper understanding of human choices. It's not just a theory, it's a game changer that transforms how we perceive economics. Let's explore these new horizons together.